That bird's got moves. Somebody get this parrot a record deal.
All right, party's over, Bird. You're under arrest.
You and who's badge?
Free the parrot! 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 Free the parrot!
Why did you do it? A star needs his stage.
Attitude, huh? You're going to court.
Whatever. I'll see you in court, copper.
The bird was perched on the counter when I entered. I gave it a simple command to step down. Your Honor, this parrot showed extreme sass.
Why did you cause this chaos?
It's my dream, Your Honor, to dance.
What?
Your Honor, my client, the parrot, is not a criminal. He is an artist.
An artist who stole a van full of paint?
He borrowed colors, Your Honor, to make beauty, not profit.
Research on heritage code is no longer just a trending topic. From Sao Paulo to Seoul, tens of thousands have flooded the streets demanding the release of the seized macaw named Pico Azul.
Hold still, buddy. One twist, and there it is.
You're free, big guy. Go on!
What's next?